What if every single human on Earth sneezed at exactly 3:47 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time tomorrow? 8 billion people sneezing simultaneously would create massive atmospheric pressure waves detectable by seismographs worldwide. But the real chaos would be immediate. 400 airplane pilots would lose control mid-flight, forcing emergency landings across every continent. Surgeons would accidentally slip during critical operations. Drivers everywhere would cause the largest spike in car accidents in human history, all happening in one terrifying minute. Stock markets would crash as traders sneezed during closing bell, unable to execute final trades. The International Space Station would actually detect the pressure wave from orbit. Conspiracy theorists would go wild, claiming it proves mind control technology exists. Global productivity would halt for exactly 60 seconds, costing an estimated $2.8 billion. Scientists would discover something incredible, though. The collective moisture and particles released would temporarily alter weather patterns, creating the first human-generated atmospheric event visible from space. Humanity would unite through shared embarrassment and spawn an entirely new field called synchronized biology research.